So if you want to smell good and expensive as well as for longer period of time, then keep on watching this video. Hi guys, my name is Arpita and welcome back to my channel. I really hope you guys are doing great, and in today's video I'll be sharing my top 6 fragrances which are under 500 rupees. So if you want to know what are those fragrances, then keep on watching this video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell icon to never miss any updates. So without any further ado, let's just quickly jump into the video. First fragrance which I'm going to share with you is the Rene Bloom Eau de Parfum. So basically Rene का जो ये fragrance का range है, they have 4 to 5 different fragrances, and एक fragrance का they have 2 different variants. One जो एक full size में आता है, I think that would be 30 ml, and which I have is a 15 ml perfume. The reason why I have the small one is इनका I think pack of 4 का जो एक box आता है, I got that, and out of the 4 shade this is my favorite. The reason why I like this perfume is because this is not very over fragrant and not very florally. This is a perfect mixture of a essential oil kind of perfumes, and the reason why I chose this one is because this is also very travel friendly, like you can keep it on your bag. And another reason is this is under 500 rupees. I think this particular bottle retail on 249 rupees, but I will definitely mention the exact price on the screen, as well as you can get your hands on these perfumes by the link given on the description box. You can click on the link, and if you feel like purchasing, you can definitely do that. Although I really like these kinds of perfumes because they are not very overwhelming, and at the same time they have a very low diluted perfumes, so they just give us the exact amount of fragrance which we are looking for. Also this perfume has a very long lasting formula, like if you are putting this on your pulse points to stay for a longer period of time, then it might last for 4 to 5 hours. They claim that it is up to 12 hour long lasting, but I feel that this can be not more than 5 to 6 hours, but अगर आप इसको थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगाओगे, it might stay. I don't know. I usually like to use 2 to 3 sprays onto my pulse points. Best area to apply your perfume is this place, back of your ears and this part of your neck, as well as on your wrist. You can do this, or you can leave it like this so that it gets evaporated in the air, and उसमें जो alcohol है उसको भी आप थोड़ा बाहर निकालने का कोशिश करना, and then smell it. You will get the exact smell. Wait for a few seconds before smelling the perfumes. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is not a perfume, it's a deodorant, and it is from the Nykaa Wanderlust Sicilian Sweet Pea, and this claims that this is 48-hour active. I don't feel this is true at all. It can last up to 5 to 6 hours max, and on the humid temperature that we have in India, we get a lot of sweat, so I don't think that claiming 48 hours should be good for a perfume. Overall, I love this deodorant. This does not have a lot of gas in it, so it is basically a lightweight and a floral and a fresh fruity kind of texture. Although I don't like floral fragrance for a lot of particular reason, I might feel allergic a little bit, but this does not make me feel sick, so this is another reason why I'm using this. And also this comes in a very affordable price. Like I got it on 200 to 250 on Nykaa, which is the real price of this product is 279. And also if you are purchasing it directly from Nykaa, so there might be a lot of different sales and a lot of different offers going on, so you might get it on 200 to 250 rupees. Overall, this is a very good purchase under 250 rupees, and I mostly put this deodorant while I go to the gym because I want myself to stay fresh for a longer period of time. Now moving on to the next one. The next perfume that I have is from Freed, and this is also an eau de parfum, which means that it has a lower concentration of perfume, and this is not a very high tempered perfume. First of all, what I like about this product is the packaging is very chic and classy, and it gives a bossy vibe. There is also one other variant of this perfume which comes in a purple bottle, but that does not attracted me very much, so I just have this, and also I got it on a PR, so I haven't spent a single money on this one. But the reason why this make it into my video, because this is a very unknown brand, and all the other brands that I will be sharing in further in my video are known for some of their products or maybe even just for their fragrances. But the reason why I chose this product in my video is, first, it comes under 500 rupees. Secondly, it is an 80 ml product that you will get on 449 rupees on Amazon, and also this have a very subtle fragrance, but this smells heavenly. And obviously इसमें आपको ज़्यादा spray भी नहीं करना पड़ता है. Like if you spray it 1 or 2 times, that will be more than enough. And this, my friend, stays for over 12 hours. Trust me, when I go out for shoot or when I usually go out for college, if I spray it on my outfit or even my pulse points, when I come home, the fragrance is still there on my outfit, as well as I can feel it on my whole body. So that is why this thing make in my video. So you can also get this perfume, you can try it because it's not that expensive, but trust me, you will not be offended after buying this. Now moving on to the next one. The next perfume in my list is the Mamaearth Me Live in the Movement Eau de Parfum. And the reason why this thing make into this video is because of its size. Basically, this is not a very long lasting perfume. Trust me, it is like a 2 to 3 hours lastable perfume, but I do not have any other floral fragrance which smells good. So that is why this make it to this video. Although this perfume is a very good blend of many different flowers, the main base of this perfume is like a lily fragrance, but I'm not pretty sure that what it is because I'm not a perfume expert. But I really like this one because it gives me a summer girl vibe, so that is why I put this. I don't put it on winters, it is like a summer thing when I'm wearing that white or pink kind of dress which is like vibing with my floral fragrance, so then only I put it. Also, this product retail on 149 rupees and it is 8 ml of product, which is a tester to be true. There is also a 30 ml product which is I think 649 rupees. So if you want to try the Mamaearth perfume range, which is this range, Me range, then you can also get this one. I will mention down the links to the product on my description box. You can go ahead and try out. And also, I really wanted to say that I'm not a perfume expert that I will be talking about the formulation and everything. I am someone who really likes putting on different fragrances, and these suggestions are based on my personal experience. Now moving on to the next one. My next product is again a deodorant, and this is the Secret Temptation deodorant, which is in the fragrance Swag. Now the reason why I chose this video, because this is also a very long lasting perfume, and if you are a teenager or a regular college going girl who are looking for the fragrance which is affordable and long lasting, then you can definitely go for this one. And as far as the fragrance concerned, the fragrance is not that perfume kind of fragrance. This is more like a talcum powder fragrance. The talcum powders which we use, like a Pond's or even the Secret Temptations talcum powders are there. It is very similar to that. It does not have any floral fragrance, and also this fragrance is a little bit harsh than my any other perfume, so I use this when I go to gym. Overall, this is a very good budget friendly perfume. You can definitely go for this one, and this product retail on 199 rupees, and if you buy it from Amazon or even Flipkart, you might get it under 150 rupees. Now moving on to my last and final product. Now sharing with you with the least expensive perfume in my collection, which I got it under 90 rupees. Yes, you heard it right, I got it under 90 rupees. But recently I've checked on Nykaa, it was around 120 to 130 rupees, I'm not pretty sure. But this is the Ramson You Are Lovely perfume, which is 30 ml of product. Now if I talk about this product, you might all have seen this product looking around on our Facebook suggestion page when Nykaa is sponsoring this perfume so much. So I was so intrigued in buying this perfume. So first, if I talk about the fragrance is a little bit is a mixture of a floral fragrance and a men's perfumes fragrance, which is annoyingly good for me because I really like men's perfume. In fact, I use all of my brother's perfume because they are much better than the female ones, because female perfumes does not have many variants. Overall, this is not a very strong perfume. This is a low and diluted version of perfumes. but this, my friend, stays for a really long time. Those who are watching this video and have already used this one might know that how much long this stay, but overall I can say that this lasts for over 12 hours. And yes, I am not joking, I have been using this perfume. If you can see, this is here, that means I have used this much. So this is a very long lasting perfume. So yeah, this was my top 6 affordable fragrance which is under 500 rupees, and I am really hoping that you will feel like buying these perfumes. So if you do feel that, then don't forget to go on to my description box and click on the link, and if you want to get your hands on that, if you want to check those out, you can do that. And also, if you are buying it from Amazon, then you will be seeing a lot of reviews on the given products, so it might can clear out your thoughts much better. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked it and find it helpful, and if you do, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents like this. And also, if you haven't followed me on my Instagram, go and follow me, because I'm gonna post so many fun contents over there regarding the festive season as well as usual brand contents. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.